It's nice. It says, let me get some gas. I hope the gas goes up. We're heading out, folks. Everybody's heading out. We're gonna go for a quick drive and go get some couple nice photos. Oh, you can hear them. So I guess we're trying to find a spot here. I'm gonna pull through. Hey, that's not four-wheel drive, okay? Where are we going? So I guess we're trying to find a nice spot we can take some nice photos at together. I don't know what these guys are doing. They're all trying to show off. Oh, I think we found some in the dirt. Ooh. Yep, found some dirt. Car's nice and clean. Now it's nice and dirty. Dirt. We got a nice backdrop though. I like it. My car's not made for this. I don't have the car for this. Found a nice little spot here.
The dirt almost got on my car and I was like, oh, we're gonna fight.
I guess this will work for now. Nice pretty backdrop here, if I can talk. They're hanging out of the sun. They don't want to get suntan. Oh, this guy got dropped out by himself over here. Let's get some drone shots. What do you guys think? A couple drone shots. Nice. See, he's got the idea. Well, stupid me, I didn't charge my drone controller. Charge everything else but the drone controller, so you can't fly a drone without the controller, so I'm beat there. Look, we got the grown folks hanging out in the corner. And then we got a GoPro above me. GoPro drone. Can you see him? I think I had it zoomed in the whole time I was talking to you guys. So you got a real close up of my face. Well, first gen, it's nice. Rouge D 915, 6-speed. Bam, 6-speed, 3 pedals. Thumbs up. 3-pedal M5. It's dope. Right next to the M3. Downpipes, they're already in there. You order them right from shopexhaustnote.com. Get your set for your M3, M4, and new competition M2. Look at his drone. Am I catching it? Yeah, obviously his was charged. He was prepared. More prepared than me. Look at this crew we got. It's pretty sweet, man. Nice little crew with us today. Hanging out. Good times. So no droney today. I couldn't get that remote charged up, so that sucks. Because this is a pretty good setup right here. We're just parked up. Get some nice shots here too. Eric brought his drone, of course. Eric was smarter than me. What's that? Let me see. Oh, look at this. Let's see if we can get it zoomed in. Focus! Oh, there it is! Nice. There's a drone shot. My battery's dead. Didn't work. You even got the family dog. Family. Don't forget to shopexhaustnote.com. The drone, you hear the drone? Those things are loud. that is. It's weird seeing your car drive off when you're not in it. It's pretty loud from outside. I didn't realize I can hear my turbos a little bit. That's pretty cool. You can hear my little turbos spool up some. Look at this guy on the bike. This guy on the bike's probably like, what the hell? The guy on the bike was probably like, what the hell? I think we're hungry. Everybody likes a little bit of food vlogs, so let's go eat.
You say everyone likes a little bit of food poisoning?
These guys are, no food poisoning, please. Chipotle, that's what they give you. Yeah, we're going to Chipotle. Chipotle.
We're going to Papa's actually.
Papa's? I thought we were going to Chipotle.
No, we're going to Chipotle, but I boycott Chipotle, so.
Oh, okay. All right, gotcha. Either way, we're starving, so we're going to go eat. Hey, we're at. Yeah, can I get a bowl? For here. White rice, black beans. Yeah, the mild. Hey guys, looks like I'm chow down on some Chipotle. I'm done. We're out, guys. I'll see you next time.
Still can't see.